approximately age 35 to 40 years old, roughly 5 foot tall, and she's wearing a black trench coat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She's also run off with the victim's phone as well.
Hey, have you heard what happened to Korra Obidi, the popular celebrity dancer who spent most of her time on her live streaming? She was attacked with acid and knife in the UK yesterday by an unidentified lady. Hey, acid decay. This is pure wickedness. This incident was announced by Korra Obidi herself on her Instagram page, and she was seen in a video using a bottle of Coca-Cola to wash her face and reduce the effects of the acid on her skin. Where do we keep our humanity? What could Korra Obidi have done to this lady to deserve this kind of attack? What happened to letting the law punish whoever might have offended you? Now, wow! This is DG Naija Television. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Many comments have been flying around the internet since the incident happened. Some even felt that Korra Obidi had been going through a lot of challenges right after she separated from her ex-husband. And one could imagine, who could have sent this lady to carry out this kind of attack on Korra Obidi? Or is it a personal vendetta? Well, let's hear how the matter happened, Gongon, from Korra Obidi's sister.
They threatened to stab her all over her body. They have stabbed her on her hands just outside her Airbnb in Westminster, London. I'm in Belfast. I left my sister in a secured apartment, and somebody waited for my sister in front of her room and poured acid on my sister's face while trying to stab her stomach. My sister is a strong and fit person, otherwise now she would have been gone. She would have been unalived. For what? I called the Met Police in Belfast. They routed me to London, and I reported every single detail, gave the addresses. This person is a black woman, East African in particular, perhaps Kenyan, Sudanese, or Ugandan. Black woman with a hoodie. And she ran away as fast as she could when people came to her rescue. But yeah, we're investigating. I no longer feel safe in this country. This is the height. I hear about incidents of stabbing, and I just never thought it would ever happen to anybody.
If this is not pure witchcraft, what should we call it? My people, hey, thank God that Korra Obidi got the first aid treatment that she needed at the right time. Hey, the incident will have been a very different thing entirely. And we hope and pray that the perpetrator is caught very soon to serve as a warning to others who felt attacking people like this is a justification to any amount of hatred they harbor in their mind against anyone. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.